Hi, Miss Honey.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Finished breakfast.
Oh, that brick. Oh,
We're here in Starbucks in Mandalay.
see, behind you are the slot machines, and then you already lost $10.
I just played $10. Gusto mo tinapay doon?
So, hindi ako gutom.
Kaya mo kanina gutom ka.
Ito no, mabubusog na ako dito.
We're inside. We're going to meet GM and we didn't know what time we're going to meet Cherise.
Oh, parang celebrity oh.
To all the Chasters, mainggit kayo.
Okay, tell us about it.
Ito si Charisse.
Oh.
Si GM. Where's Maria?
We will know because we will see a lady with a lot of luggage.
Yeah. Baka naman naligaw yun.
Tatawagan ko pag naligaw yun.